Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Infraspace. We can see some problems that have started to arise in the background, but I did just want to look at this bit of road here that a commenter helpfully pointed out in a comment of a recent-ish video. I forgot to upgrade this section to be two-way. That's why no trucks are going up the hill. So let's get that done straight away. Right there. And now we'll see how much traffic we can get routed up the hill to this train station up here. We'll see how it goes. But we're not going to look at all of the problems that seem to persist in different ways around our city if we just spin around. We're actually going to come over here where we've been working, over here, and upgrade this junction and possibly do something on this side. Now the way we're going to do this is what we've got here is working pretty good, but it doesn't work for when two highways cross over each other. It works at the moment because we've got one going straight through and one starting, but now we're going to have essentially a second highway connecting in here as well. And we're going to need them to be able to access all of these directions here. So let's pause and let's delete all of the highway that we've got here. We'll leave that. We took out that one there. That's okay. We might have to add it back in. And this here, we don't want them going in there at all. So they're going to come straight across here. Let's build this just with the little cheapy road to start. So we're definitely going to need bridging across there. And then that will connect down here at some point. And our existing highway, let's bring over to there. Which one of these keeps them going straight? There. Okay, we'll kill that. Put that in like that. So this will connect to here and they will connect down to there. And now we need to look at how we can actually get all of these connections working in the right way. I think that guy's probably going to be a little bit too close. Now there are multiple ways to actually do this. By putting these crossings here in the center, we've kind of indicated, or at least to me, that I want the through traffic to be one of the primary directions that everything can go. However, we saw that there's a lot of trucks coming down here that loop around onto this road. So possibly we can go for something like a modified cloverleaf design, which is where each of these just have little rings down onto. We're going to have a bypass road on either side just to keep the through traffic a little bit freer. So they can stay like that. Now let's get our road again. This is going to be our two essentially bypass lanes. And at the end here you'll divert out onto this road and then connect back on down here. And then from this we need to loop around. So let's maybe go here. I don't actually know how we're going to do it. Maybe like that. That seems to work. Just let me reverse the direction of that road so we don't get confused about what's going what way. And then I'm just going to do the same thing in the opposite direction. And then on this side, and then one here. train line there is in the way. So let's see if we can't move it a bit. One of the hardest parts with the train line is you can't see where the nodes are. That makes it easier. I don't know why it decided to show them now. But we're still going to need a little bit more space here. I want to spin this around a bit. I think we want to get rid of that. And then, I don't even know what type of rail we used here. But we're just going to do that. In this section, we're going to spin around so it's a little bit closer. Because we'll need a gap through here. So this is kind of the core of the design. You'll turn off here, you'll exit, you'll come around and connect into here. But I just realized we didn't connect to this in line so that it would connect up with the parallel road. We put it straight onto the main road, which means all of these need to move out 1 unit, which is a little bit frustrating, but that's what happens when I don't pay completely close attention. Wait, no, we don't need to do that. We can just get rid of those and turn these here. And get rid of those parts. Bring these back in. There we go. That's a little bit nicer. Doesn't look particularly nice, but it will turn out to be that way. And now we want our we need another overpass along here. So let's say maybe we can start there. Oops. There. To there. And you connect up. You connect down. Where we'll probably have to do some jiggery pokery there to get that to work. But we normally go, what do we go on? 2 and 1. I'm gonna do this. That will make that a nice gentle bridge. And then we can do, oh no. Calm down. We've gone 3 units there. So we want to do that and then that. There we go. Okay, so you come through straight. We'll need to bend out a bit. This we can kink around here. That's gone like crazy vertical. But we can resolve that. What if we move it out here a little bit? We put these like this. Bring that around like so. I mean, this is still a pretty tight corner. But I think we can make it work. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do on all four sides. Now let's move that out. Move that down. Then we'll go 3 down to the ground. Then we'll have to adjust this here. Obviously we still haven't left enough space. And then make that a bit neater. There are 2 through roads. Let's get those in. Like so. I like where that's going. Now we just need to get this connection on this side done. So this will be from there. Oops, we need to go up. From there to there elevated. Down to the ground there. Ground up to there. Now they connected in like that. This moved out 1, that went down 1. This went out 1, that went down 1. And now we're just decorating around those to make them a little bit smoother again. Let's drag this a bit longer. Get that in something like that. And then the same around this side. Smooth these out. Make that a bit longer. Get that kind of pointed in like that. Oops. Last one. Around there like that. So that's the core of the design. To get traffic onto the side road, and then they can come around and go down here if they choose to. If they're going straight through, they can come straight through. If they want to go left, well, as it is now, they'd have to come up around here, around here, around here, and then out. That's a lot of arounds, so that's why on a cloverleaf you would normally have a little bypass road across here. I'll connect you in there. And the purpose of it is for any traffic going right, so you only ever need to go around a maximum of 1 cloverleaf. So you want to go, coming up here, you want to go left, you come up here, go around that cloverleaf and out to the left. Straight, you stay on the straight through, and right, you come up here, you take this shortcut and out to the right. So now we need to get those extra little wing arms in everywhere. We can connect you in. Let's smooth you out a little bit, like so. And this side as well. Let's make these a fair bit longer. So let's see if we can copy this one. So we went there, there, there. And then we will need to reverse all of those road segments. And then we smooth that one out a bit. So that's this side done. Now we just need to do the same on this side. Now we went from the ground. We'll do it this way. There, there, there. Now this kept going straight through on these other ones. It went straight into the connection. So let's put those in. Let's put this part in. That part in, reverse, smooth, straighten. Wonderful, and then we can get our little thing out here, bam, bam. And that one is going the correct way. So let's just beautify these a little bit. And then up this end, this is kind of ugly. Let's get rid of those sections. Yes, I think we're going to need to adjust these a little bit. Let's go with 2-lane road through there for now. I'm going to bring 2-lane all the way up here. Oops, wrong direction. This we're going to fix. And then here we can bring in these couple of connections. You need to reverse. Whoops. You need to smooth out around like that. And then up here, that's an awfully long section. Let's just drag this back a bit. Now these parts out here, we can actually do as 3-lane segments. And all of this is going to be a bit crazy, but that's okay, because we're coming off of a tiny road. And these can be 3-lane segments. This through here, we're going to do as fast road, so that the cars prioritize going that way. What on earth happened here? You go like that. And there's a little section there. Look at that. We don't particularly want that at all. So this is a cloverleaf design with added slip roads so that the through traffic isn't impacted quite so much. And then that's basically it. We could press play now, but we're first going to just upgrade all of these roads. So the through traffic will want to be on super fast roads. They can be 3-lane the whole way. And then this section can be our super fast road. We want those guys going as quickly as they can. Then on the side roads, these are all 1-lane. 1-lane, 1-lane, 1-lane. These loops are 1-lane. 1-lane as well. So sometimes you'll see the crossover section in the middle, here, and this section here, be 2-lane, just to make merging a little bit easier for the cars. We're not going to do that initially. We're just going to keep it all as 1-lane. And let's just quickly check that all of these junctions have done intelligent looking things. Ooh, so that road there is the wrong way. So you need to turn around. So that's why we're going through and checking all of these. You make sense. You all make sense. So our traffic coming down this way, it was mostly going left. So we'll take this bypass, we'll loop around here, come across here, and re-merge there. Okay, let's press play. Let's watch these guys zoom along here, so we can see already a bunch coming around this loop. Why are you all slowing down there? Okay, in terms of giving way, you have to give way there. And here, you have to give way there. Now this is one of the downsides of a cloverleaf type design, is that there is some level of merging, and it looks like trying to get everyone into one lane is not going to work well later. So let's just upgrade those to 2 lanes right now. So here they each merge into their own lane, and then they merge out. Merge into their own lane, merge out. The same under here. Can't quite see it as well, but they're definitely there. So that is this end of our interchange, configured to handle 2 crossing highways. Now, however, up here it's not connected to anything. So all of this traffic we need to get onto here. Well, maybe not all of it, but we need to have a way for them to get onto there. And we're not going to do anything fancy at the moment. Let's just do something like that, and then to there, and then upgrade all of these sections. Through there, so now we've got a faster route around the outside there. And over here, we're just gonna like bung them in right there. And see how many we get. Oh, we've got some computers coming up this way. Nice. I wasn't expecting computers to go that way, but we won't complain. See, they're just going straight through here. No issue at all. Nice. Let's round these corners out a little bit. If we can. Like that. And then this one like that. Same up here. Round these out. And this one, and these 2. Just to make it a bit smoother drive. Well, a lot more cars are going up there than I anticipated. Not that I'm complaining, that's a good thing. Looks like we're getting a little bit of congestion there. There's not much traffic going straight through, which I find surprising. By the way, it seems to be going pretty well. We'll need to do something here for this junction, and up here, where we've just kind of got the highway just like booping into this like local road. They'll need to connect up somehow. I don't even know if we've got space through here to do that. Oh, look at this, we've got another junction over here. Man, I went junctions galore at some point. Interesting. Okay, let's just spend a couple of minutes looking at any problems that we have. So guys over here want more edutainment. Oh no, they downgraded. So these guys are looking for holo displays. Well, here's all our stuff. What's going on here? You can go across there. I think possibly just lots of traffic because we unpaused it. But they're waiting on hollow displays. All of that's... What is this? Yeah, that is definitely an interesting junction. Seems to be working though. I wonder if these guys should have a shortcut into this station here. All of these seem to be working okay. We won't question that. Now there were hollow displays needed over here. They've obviously received them. Currently being delivered 26. Okay, that is a lot of traffic backed up there. What's going on here? Okay, these traffic lights make no sense at all. Okay, phase 1. Everything from this side. And you can go since you don't interfere. Why did you remove that? Did I click? Oh, I probably clicked the wrong button or something. Okay. Phase 1. Oh, phase 0. Now phase 1, everything from the right and no, I'm not going to put that on because I don't want the phase to stay active if there's no traffic there. Phase 2 can be everything from that side. Phase 3, everything from this side. Let's press play. Oh, and we've only... Oh, there's only... All of this is only one lane. Okay, have some more space to queue up back there. Thank you, Stutter. So you can go into any of the lanes. And up here, you can cross lanes in a very dangerous manner. And up here, we're going to say that's valid, that's valid, that's not valid, and that's valid. And that's valid. And up here, you're allowed to cross there. You're straight through as well. Give way is on the side, good. You can go straight through. Oops, not that at all. Give way on the side road. Up here, straight through. Give way on the side road. Up here, straight through. Give way on the side road. I'll leave that as it is. And then okay, you can both go straight through and give way on the side. You can both go straight through and give way on the side. You can also go straight through. Because I think it, yeah, will just get automatically picked up by the traffic lights. But this first phase, we're going to make it way longer. Just to get these cars out. Okay, well this is moving now, which is always nice. Still a lot of backed up traffic here though. Oh, we've got 3 lanes going into 1. What? Who thought that was a good idea? Okay, we're gonna upgrade this. You can be 2, you can be 1. You can stay fast 2 lane down here. Into there, and then we'll go fast 3 lane. Try and encourage cars to stay on the highway if they need to. Okay, so now we've got all this moving. Yeah, that's a lot of iron stored up there. Let's upgrade these 2 sections. 3 sections, why not? And then in here, you go across to there, and we're going to put in a little traffic light. And if they get back this far, then we're going to have them do the cross lanes trick. And the same on this side. They get back this far, they're going to switch lanes. And down here, you both can go straight, like that. Just want to keep it all moving. What are these purple trucks even? Holo displays. Okay, you both go straight. You turn across there. I'm gonna put traffic lights in here. Oh, we go down to 1 lane there? Seriously? Okay, and then we'll just let them deal with it up here. There's not that much traffic coming down this road. So this last section, let's upgrade it to be 1 lane. Don't know why everything is so determined to come through here. But so that's eased up now. All of this is eased up now. This less so. But back here, let's give them a lane switching options. And if we just happen to queue back this far as well, we'll do the same here. Then anything past there, we'll deal with it when it happens. And over here, No, again, you go into all 3 lanes, please. And you can do the old switcheroo up there. That's a long way it queues back before I get another node to tell them to switcheroo. There we go. Nice, and this one in here, and that one reset itself again. We definitely want you changing lanes there. So you're using both of them. Now let's just go on fast speed for a moment. Oops. Okay. Computer doesn't like fast speed and moving things around. Okay, so we've cleared out this row. Now here. And that is an intersection and a half. Okay, so now they can go. And our right turn here, let's say they can turn into either lane. And this one here can turn into either lane. Just if it happens to back up that far, it means they'll use both. Okay, let's go back to single speed. So all of these are queued up all the way down to here. Yeah, I'm happy with that just being one lane to leave, because they merge here. Okay, that is not the best. I'm just gonna take that road out and see how it impacts everything else. But all of this seems to be moving a bit better now. That merge there. Oh wait, that's an out, not an in. My bad. That'll be why it's configured like that. Wait, but this traffic would never come around here to go in there. No, we can leave it there, it's fine. Okay, well, look at all this moving out goods down here to the station. Got a lot of things queued up here. Okay, let's just look at our train lines. You're Alpha. Just add one more train to everything going through Alpha. Just to help move some of the goods a little bit faster. Let's have a look at our spaceship. What are we doing on our spaceship? Our spaceship construction is over here. Oh, we finished the other one. I didn't even notice. Well, let's get that. Not one random technology. Okay, neural processes. Increases all building efficiently permanently by 5% for some steel, some motors, and some methane. Yeah, let's do that. Because we've got methane production right here. I think these are piped in, aren't they? Yes, we did pipe them in. So let's just run some pipe down here. So these will have as much methane as they need. Steel and motors will come eventually. And all of this seems to clear itself up as we go. Let's look down here. Okay, that's busy. This is ridiculous again. At least everything is moving. Mostly. We'll leave it. It seems to be working for now. Maybe we just get in another train station over here somewhere. To just get goods in and out. That is a lot of traffic. Okay, have they caused themselves to go in a big loop? What's happening here? That's okay. This is okay. This is okay. Yeah, they were all just queued up in one lane. So let's let those guys play switcheroo there. And here. And here. Yeah, see, this bit is difficult because we've got so much happening there. Thanks for the autosave. These we can tell to cross out there. There's another junction in here somewhere. There is. So all of these guys can switch lanes there. And then a lot of them just want to take this exit. Okay, at least everything back here is moving now. Mostly. So they get a couple of cars out and then they get stopped again. So let's just put a little bypass like this in to try and encourage them to go straight. Then over here they can give way there. Okay, so that's got all of this moving. And with this moving, these have a chance of moving. But they're all tiny, tiny roads. Let's give them at least this row. bigger road, and up here, bigger roads. And I'm just going to assume, without even checking, that it's doing the right thing in terms of traffic lanes and things that make sense and whatnot. Even if they don't. Okay, well this is cleared down a bit, partly because some of the cars were despawned. Okay, you give way on these sides. And over here you give way there. Let's say you're allowed out, you have to give way going in. Okay, well all of this is moving now, which lets this move. Which, oh good, look how far back this goes. Just keeps going. I think next time we're going to have a look at trying to get some of these cars off the road and putting in some trains between our big production areas there, here, even if they're really short train loops, just to try and get some of the traffic maybe up here as well. Yeah, look at all this. Just to get some of the traffic off of the roads. That will be for next time. To end off today, let's come over here and look at our crowning glory of this new interchange that we've added. Oh, look, even things over there are complaining. They're completely disconnected. But thank you very much everyone for stopping by today. I do hope you have enjoyed this episode. If you have, do consider leaving a like, subscribing to the channel. It does help out a lot. Otherwise, I'll catch you all next time. Thanks everyone. Bye for now.